Rua 3 do bairro da Areia Preta.黑沙环第三街. Streets of Macau, little bairro da Areia Preta. Oh, 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 Areia Preta. A little slice of Macau. Little bairro da Areia Preta, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, this street is called the 3rd Street of the neighborhood of the Areia Preta. Areia Preta is like new area. There's quite a few other streets that are named after the same area. I think at least 7. And I think I filmed them at different times, but I don't think I have filmed this one. So we're gonna put this one up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And then we're gonna walk around it a little bit and just kind of get an idea of this Areia Preta neighborhood. So you can see this one is same one, but it says set, like 7. And I think there's another one there. So this particular one would be Três, Areia Preta. So let's put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So this is the 3rd Street. So it's Três is 3. You can also see the Chinese number 3. So they're all kind of labeled accordingly. 7, I actually looked, and this is all number 7, Sedge. And I think I took a look at it to see what I have filmed in Areia Preta and what I have not. And number 3 is one that I have not. Check out those cool balconies. So we're gonna walk down 3. Let me get. I want to get into the road because I think it's a little bit more interesting. Well, this car's coming, so I cannot. So this is number 3. I wonder if I filmed 7 or not. I went through them and I think there was. I might have to go back. But this will all be part of the 3rd one. There's our sign for number 3 up there as well, and I think it continues on. Then you'll see other ones too. Like now we have Quattro. So just kind of give you a context of that. So Quattro. So there's actually at least 7 of them. And I think what we'll do is we'll go into this. Oh, we can't go into the park from that angle. Pretty lively area. So let's go across this way. So it's quite busy around here. And this should all be number 3 as well. So that was all number 3. And 3 continues. Kind of want to walk down the middle of the street. I'm going to try it, and then if cars come behind me, I'll have to move a little bit. Here's a hair salon. I guess guess there's all kinds of interesting things everywhere. But yeah, the traffic kind of blocks everything. It's like on other streets of Macau, there'll be like one side where they'll park and the other side where they will not. And this is kind of what I feel more. This Areia Preta is more like mechanics and stuff like that. Eggs, tomatoes. So, okay. So that was basically the 3rd Street of Areia Preta. So yeah, we're not too far from the border, so this has a kind of a border feel to it. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take another right down the alleyway. And we'll see, there's a music shop. So now we're off of our road. And you'll get a feel for this because I'll walk down number 2 as well and combine it. So this whole area has all these different Areia Preta. So there's Deutsch number 2, here's Cinco number 5. And I think I have all of them at different points in time that I've been able to film. And now you kind of get a feel for them. I'm going to go back to that park and I might just walk around a little bit more in this Areia Preta neighborhood. I'm going to walk down. Got a motorcycle coming. We'll go in like this. Yeah, anyways. Areia Preta. I usually don't come over here too much. It's kind of chaotic. It's a lot of like mechanic shops. But there are a lot of interesting hidden stuff in here. So yeah, all of these are the new area, the neighborhood of the new area. So this was a new area once reclaimed as well. I shouldn't walk across this way. I should use the crosswalk. So I guess we'll use the crosswalk over there. If you use the crosswalk, you have the right of way, so it's better. Okay. So that was here's Deutsch number 2. Then you have all these little parks. Pretty sure that I filmed this before. I'm trying to see what I have not filmed and what I have filmed. Let's go down this way. So this would be Cuatro. I think for whatever reason I've missed Três. But I'm just kind of making sure that I've documented all of them. I don't think that these cities have changed too much. This is a Thai vegan one right there. Actually, I ate there once. These little balconies like those. Balconies like that. Okay. So now we're back on Três. So I think I'm gonna just go across. And that's where we started at. Right down there, number 3. And then we'll just label it accordingly. And that's kind of this Areia Preta neighborhood. One of the 7 streets called Areia Preta. So it's in it right there.